Yo, Brian here. Today, I'm gonna show you how to use a nail gun. Come on. Yeah. You're gonna need an air compressor. You're gonna need an air hose. And of course, you'll need the nail gun. This is a 16 gauge straight nail gun, which utilizes the 16 gauge straight nail. They're color coordinated. All right, so the next thing we want to do, plug it in, turn it on, and pressurize the tank to about 125 psi. Meaning, whenever the tank gets to 125, you can turn it off. Okay, with the tank pressurized, now you want to plug in your air hose and your nail gun. It's a quick connect, so this one will just pop right in. And then you want to take the other end of your air hose and plug it into your nail gun. It's a quick connect, so you want to pull back on it and push in. Make sure you got a good connection and you're ready to go. So now you want to supply air to the air hose and ultimately the nail gun by transferring the pressurized air in the tank to the outlet. But before you transfer air to the outlet, you're going to want to know how much operating pressure your nail gun uses. On the inside of this one, you can see the operating pressure. I don't know if I can get it to focus. The operating pressure is 70 psi. So that's how much you're going to want to add to your outlet side. Let me show you. So go ahead and turn this nozzle to the right and it will transfer air into your outlet, which will provide pressurized air to your nail gun. As you can see, it's going up and it had a 70 operating pressure, so I'll go up to about 70, 75. So now your nail gun has air pressure to it. Before you can use your nail gun though, you're going to have to load it with nails. So here's how to do so. Take this lever and pull it all the way down. Lift this up and slide your nails in with the bigger side facing the gun, facing this side. Push these in, and it takes a little bit of finessing. Once you push them in, you're going to want them to grab up here on the contraption. And so what I've found, I just will pull it up a little bit and hear that click, and then it's locked in. You're ready to go. So in order to actually use the gun, you can't just click it. It has to be pushed up against the wood. Nice. All right, well that's about it. Just make sure that you drain your tank. I'll show you how to do that too. Whenever you're done with everything, you want to reduce the pressure on the outlet side. And that will take all the pressure out of your air gun. And then you also want to release the pressure on the tank side by pulling this lever here. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful.
Yo, Brian.